Hello and welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today we're exploring the serene world of organization. Organizing our lives brings clarity and focus. Some struggle while others seamlessly piece everything together. The secret? Specific habits keep their lives structured. We'll uncover habits of highly organized people. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let's begin our journey to an organized life together. The first habit of highly organized people is their embrace of simplicity. Clutter isn't just physical, it's mental too. Organized people give every item a place. This clarity extends to their digital lives. A clear space fosters a clear mind. Building on the foundation of simplicity, organized people often embrace minimalism. Minimalism for them is about intentionality. It's about carefully curating their lives to include only what truly adds value and purpose. Just as we might declutter our closets, organized people declutter their lives of distractions. They identify what pulls them away from their goals and minimize or eliminate them. This conscious removal of distractions allows them to channel their energy and focus towards what truly matters. When we're not bogged down by the unnecessary, we're free to pursue what truly sets our souls alight. For highly organized people, communication isn't just about exchanging words. It's about clarity and action. Every conversation is an opportunity to create a blueprint for moving forward. Instead of engaging in endless small talk, they steer conversations towards purpose. Their emails are concise and to the point, their requests are specific, and their expectations are clearly communicated. This approach minimizes misunderstandings, saves time, and fosters stronger, more efficient relationships. Organized individuals understand that time is their most valuable asset. They guard it fiercely and build firm boundaries around it. If they haven't scheduled time for you, don't expect them to squeeze you in at the last minute. They recognize that every yes to an unscheduled commitment is a no to their existing priorities. This doesn't make them inflexible. It makes them respectful of their own time and the commitments they've already made. Faced with a to-do list a mile long, how do organized people decide where to start? They use a powerful tool, the task prioritization matrix. This matrix helps them categorize tasks into 4 quadrants. Urgent and important, do it now. Not urgent but important, schedule it. Urgent but not important, delegate it. And not urgent, not important, eliminate it. This simple system brings clarity to their workload, ensuring they focus on high-impact activities while avoiding the trap of constantly reacting to urgency. Highly organized individuals don't rely on memory alone. They understand that our brains are for generating ideas, not storing them. They utilize tools to keep track of information: phone alarms for appointments, post-it notes for quick reminders, and detailed calendars for long-term planning. This externalization of information frees up mental space and reduces the risk of forgetting important details. For organized people, every action is purposeful and aligned with a specific goal. They avoid distractions and don't waste energy on tasks that don't contribute to their desired outcomes. This laser focus allows them to work efficiently and make significant progress toward their goals. They understand that success is not about doing more, but about doing the right things. Spontaneity might be fun, but organized people thrive on planning. They map out their schedules weeks, even months in advance. Don't expect them to drop everything for a last-minute gathering. Their time is carefully allocated. However, when they do commit to plans, you can be sure they'll be thoughtfully executed. This proactive approach reduces stress and ensures they have ample time to dedicate to their commitments. Organized people understand the power of batching. Instead of constantly switching between different types of tasks, they group similar activities together. For example, they might designate one day for meetings, another for deep work, and another for errands. This minimizes mental switching costs and allows them to achieve a state of flow, maximizing their efficiency and productivity. Routines aren't about rigidity, they're about creating a framework for success. Organized individuals understand that consistent routines reduce decision fatigue and free up mental energy for more important matters. This allows them to move through their lives with greater ease and focus. Organized people face challenges just like anyone else, but their secret weapon is optimism. They view problems as opportunities for growth and approach setbacks with a solutions-oriented mindset. This positive outlook allows them to stay motivated, even when things get tough. Highly organized people understand that stress is an inevitable part of life, but they don't let it control them. They have a toolbox of stress management techniques, such as meditation, mindfulness, exercise, and spending time in nature. By managing stress effectively, they create the mental and emotional space to stay organized and focused, even in the face of challenges. Remember that designated place for everything we talked about earlier? Organized people live by this rule. They put things back in their designated spots immediately after use. This simple habit prevents clutter from accumulating and maintains a sense of order in their environment. Highly organized individuals understand the power of delegation. They know their limits and aren't afraid to ask for help when they're feeling overwhelmed. Procrastination's worst enemy? The time limit. Organized people use time blocks to their advantage. They'll allocate a specific amount of time to a task and stick to it, even if it's not finished. This technique prevents them from getting bogged down in perfectionism and keeps them moving forward. As we've explored these 15 habits, I hope you've discovered that organization is not about rigid rules or perfection, but about creating a life that sparks joy and allows you to pursue your passions. Simplicity, planning, and routines make organization effortless. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, may your days be filled with intention and joy.